Rumors athi Kaizer Chiefs are set to unveil 3 new signings this week. We'll talk about that and also talk about Gabriel Sila, the guy we've been talking about who has been linked with Kaizer Chiefs over past few weeks. Also, we'll talk about what is happening currently with Faisal Salum. And also, I have some good news for Kaizer Chiefs fans. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel, subscribe and watch the whole video. Let's jump straight into the video. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. This is where uzithola khona zishisa be. I am Manqoba Ngcobo. I am your host all the way from eMatimatolo eGreat Town. Today nginiphathele ezinye indaba ezishisa be because Kaizer Chiefs, according to rumors, Kaizer Chiefs will be announcing 3 new signings before this week and before the game against Kotoko FC. So we'll talk about those signings. We'll also talk about Gabriel Sila, talking about Faisal Salum and also the good news that I have for you today, guys. So make sure ukuthi ivideo ibuka yonke uzozizwa iy'ndaba ezimnandi ekugcineni kwevideo. Make sure ukuthi you are subscribed to the channel, like the video, comment down below ukuthi ucabangani nge-content enginiphathele yona namhlanje. So bafethu, rumors engiwabone namhlanje, the rumors are not from trusted sources, but they are from sources from Twitter and Facebook, stating that Kaizer Chiefs might announce 3 new signings this week before the game weekend ye-Toyota Cup. So mina-ke bengifuna sikhulume ngawo lawo ma-signing ukuthi kungenzeka kube ubani nobani if nicabanga, guys. According to me, the first signing that they might reveal Etios Igodaro. I think so because bese kucacile vele, everything is clear ukuthi he's our new player, angazi kulindweni, but they might want to reveal him before the game because I think they will want to use him somewhere, somehow there in that game on Saturday, Toyota Cup. I think it's him. And also, I think Kaizer Chiefs, bacabanga ukuthi the case of Asanele Velepai and Luke Batman will be sorted by the end of this week. So I think the second and the third signing dates will be announced this week will have to be them, or else khona into abayifihle emqubeni. But those are the 3 signings that are obvious that they can be announcing this week. So you better stay tuned on this channel, stay tuned on Kaizer Chiefs official pages on Facebook, Instagram and anywhere that you can follow them. Perfect. Don't trust any news unless they are announced by Kaizer Chiefs. So Tina, as journalists or as YouTube content creators, we are just giving you rumors and things that might happen. So if sezingenzeki, don't come and say sinamanga nathi ama-sources asuke sitshele lokho, so but the sources are saying that. But amanye ama-sources are reliable, like Rolenzo Cole, Mickey Juna, Titlobol, Playable, and most of those sources are reliable. So amanye iy'ndaba ey'suke ziyiqiniso suke siyithathe kubona. So guys, please make sure ukuthi you follow the story before you actually believe it is happening. And another news that I want to tell you guys is that Gabriel Sila, I'm sure you guys will remember him. We've been talking about him from last month. Gabriel Sila is a winger obedlala with Azam FC left Azam FC as a free agent. We all thought he is coming to Kaizer Chiefs. Well, the news broke out today by Mickey Jr., the trusted source, saying Gibril Sila is no longer coming to South Africa. Remember that Gibril Sila, because he would prefer coming to South Africa to experience new challenges in the new league, because bebemfuna kuyona i-league yaseTanzania amanye ama-team, but he said he would prefer to come and play in South Africa or elsewhere. He decided to join another club. He's not coming to Kaizer Chiefs, so Gibril Sila is off our list, cancelled. He's no longer a Kaizer Chiefs target or a Kaizer Chiefs player, at least this season or next season, because he has signed for another team. Talking about Gibril Sila, we all know ukuthi ubedlala nobani lapha kwi-Azam FC no-Faisal Salum. Faisal Salum situation ngoba isathule, guys, according to my thinking and my understanding of the situation, ukuthi the negotiation ngeke aqhubeke without a player being present, because the player is currently participating on a tournament ekhona yamazwe nje. So ulapha ne-Tanzania playing, ubedlala namhlanje, he got an assist and the Tanzania yawina. So he's not in holidays, or he's participating in the tournament. So that's why the negotiations looks like they are taking longer and they are slowly to be progressed. But let's hope ukuthi mayebuya kwi-tournament laba abaparticipate kuyona, they will the Kaizer Chiefs management and the team, scouting team, and everyone involved in this deal, they will try to finalize it, because kule video engiyipostile izolo we saw amavidiyo aJessica esho ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs fans must try to relax and know ukuthi i-wind livalwa ngo-September. Is it 1st or 2nd? I don't know, but September i-wind livalwa khona, so we still have the whole August to work with to this deal ka-Faisal Salum which has a Kaizer Chiefs. So guys, don't panic, try to understand the situation. Umchitha usase kwi national team yakhe, so the focus is there, all the focus is there kwi national team yakhe to try and win something with his national team. Ngiqala le video I told you about good news enginiphathele wona. So i-good news ngiyazi ukuthi ayihlangene ne-Kaizer Chiefs or what, but they are breaking news ukuthi Ribeiro Costa is in advanced talks with Pyramids FC. That's good, right? Because the guy is now in demand in the market. Many teams are looking at him and monitoring his situation. Ngizwile nokuthi nase Brazil there are teams looking at his situation. So kukuthi ngani lokho kuthina? Kukuthi ngokuthi iphele endlebeni lizoshayisa ngomoya, nkosi yami, ngoba lo amjisi uyahlupha, yabo. So it's a good news for us ukuthi at least Sundowns, they will try to take someone who with quality of Ribeiro out of the squad. Ngiyazi ukuthi they will go out and look for a good replacement, but it is hard to replace someone like Ribeiro Costa. So tell me down below in the comments ukuthi ucabangani with the good news that I've just shared with you ukuthi Ribeiro is going, and tell me, what do you think? Why is the deal of Faisal Salum taking slow? Do you also think it is because of the tournament he's currently participating in? And also tell me that what do you think imaphi lama-signings azo-announce Chiefs awu-3 this week? Do you think it's Ighodaro or and Velepai and Luke Batman? Do comment down below. See you on another video. Thank